Tired of dealing with cords with your heat gun? Boy, do I have a product for you. This is a LIVOWALNY 20-volt DeWalt compatible heat gun. This guy is pretty nice. So as you can see, the build quality of it is really nice. And it's also DeWalt compatible. So as you can see, I just got this 5 amp hour DeWalt battery, and this guy clips right on here. So this thing works great. I like that it's got this digital display on here. As you can see, this guy goes up to 600C, and it's also fully adjustable, so you can adjust this to whatever temperature you need it to be set at. And then it's got memory, so if you shut the heat gun off, it will turn back on. And then as soon as you let off the trigger, this guy will blast cold air through the nozzle to clean it off. So I'll run cold air through this for about 10 seconds to help cool the nozzle down. So I really like that it has that feature. And I can't believe how much heat this thing puts out. This goes up to 1100 degrees on a 20-volt DeWalt battery. And I like that you can stand this up on its end. So it really makes it nice for doing heat shrink and stuff like that. And it also comes with 5 different nozzles. So I like that it has all these options to fit any of my heat gun needs. And these nozzles will help take care of any heat job you have in the future. So I'm using one nozzle, and this guy is for bending pipe, and I have a plastic PVC pipe. As you can see, I like the guard that kind of helps direct the heat, so that way you can bend plastic pipe to fit whatever your need is. And then I also like to use it on stubborn corners that take too long to dry. So this guy is definitely a handy thing to have in your toolbox. It doesn't take up that much space, and I love the total temperature control, so that way I can always adjust it to whatever project I'm working on. Thank you, LIVOWALNY, for sending us this to check out. I highly recommend this guy. For the price, it just won't let you down, and it's just freaking cool to have a cordless heat gun. For the construction side, or for your hobbies, or for melting paint off, this guy will get the job done.